I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and I'm a little late to start at it this year, but I'm getting into the Helga's Happy Holidays, so that means some of our holiday recipes here. I've been wanting to do this one for a while and just never got around to it, but I'm making up a holiday ham, so I'm going to do it the way I do it. I just got a half of one for Mike and I, so that I also have leftovers for sandwiches and ham and string beans and ham pot pie, and you get the idea. And it's a good Mosser's smoked ham, which is just my favorite. So I'm gonna get to it. I want to thank those that have sent me holiday cards already and recipes. Thanks so much, John, Ken, Sue, Valerie, and Jennifer. Those that have sent recipes, I have sent recipes back, so watch your mail. I enjoy this so much for this time of year. So let's get to it. This is really simple, but I think you'll like the results. Some people use Coca-Cola and other things, but I'm going to show you what I use and what I like, and it makes just a wonderful flavored ham. Also remember that this is a good true smoked ham that's natural and is not typical one of the store kinds that has been pumped full of tons of water. It makes a difference. That will make a difference in your cooking time. So let's get to it. So I have my half a country smoked ham here. It's about 8 pounds, and I have maple syrup. That's my maple syrup. And I have pineapple slices and cloves, and then some toothpicks for assembling this. And like I said, this is super simple, but man, is it delicious. It makes a wonderful bark. So I'm going to take some cloves. Some people add cherries. I'm not a big fan of that. Most of my family isn't either. Makes it pretty though. So if you want to, go ahead. And because this is smoked, you really don't need tons. It's not like a plain ham. Like I said, it's a Mosser's ham. And these are just absolutely delicious flavor. It's my favorite ham. And I'm just going to put a couple more in the sides here. Don't need a lot. It's already got some good flavor. There we go. Then I'm going to take pineapple slices. And just stick, there's the bone. That's the other thing, I like having the bone in because I use the bone later for ham and bean soup and things like that. You don't let anything go to waste. And like I said, other people use other things. I'm just making it the way that I like it. It doesn't mean you have to like it that way. And Michael's not a fan of the pineapple rings, but I love them. I love that sweet with the ham. There we go. And then I take the pineapple juice and I run it over the ham. And then I take some maple syrup and also run it over the ham. And I'll add a little water in the bottom of the pan. I have the oven set at 325 Fahrenheit. And you figure about 22-25 minutes per pound, and this is 8 pounds, so you can do the math. It'll take a couple hours, and the slow roast. I'm going to go and put foil on this. And for those that care, this is a Pampered Chef enameled cast iron roasting dish. Okay, She's covered and ready to go in the oven, and I'll see you in a couple hours. And it's done. You know what comes next. Oh, look at that beautiful ham. Beautiful. Look how juicy. Should have brought my bigger platter out. But here, you can see how, oh my goodness, how beautiful that is. How juicy. Pineapples. Slices here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dig into this. And just see how that glistens. Taste test time. So I've got a beautiful piece of ham here. You see how it's glistening? Oh, delicious. And of course, I like mine with pineapple. Oh my god. That was like the best ham ever. Such good flavor. Seriously, if you're local, get a Monster's ham. They're great. They're not pumped full of water and salt and everything like a lot of the hams in the store is, so it doesn't take as long usually to cook. This took about 2 hours. And it's beautiful and it's moist and juicy. It is a no-fail way to do ham. You can do it however you like, but the 22 to 25 minutes per pound at 325 Fahrenheit is a pretty good rule of thumb if you're doing your holiday ham. So this is the first for 2022's Happy Holidays, my holiday ham. Enjoy.